Hey y'all, I know I'm recorded in a minute. That's because I've been involved with the live classes, and we're banking profits. Tonight was amazing, by the way, because that's why I tell you guys, if you're gonna come to my class, make sure to be there on time, because, and look, I'm up 600, 600. I'm doing shooting and talking, but making them profits. I got 10 mini boys, by the way, on this. For those who's in my class, you know what I call mini boys. Okay, I got 10 mini boys up on this thing, and I'm waiting for it to hit target. Now, if I put on the indicator, it already hit our target. Let me move my head a bit. Target is now hit for those who did carry the trade. So if you took the trade along with me tonight, target has already been hit. I'm just being a little bit greedy because I see a support level, so I'm just going to hold mine a little bit longer. See if it pushes to my support. If not, I'll be crying because I'm like, dang, bro, you should have just did what you did, bruh. You do what you do, bro. Okay. I'm going to switch to regular candles and see how close it is. I like the Hakanashi candles. Keep me from freaking out. You feel me? Let's see. But we had won our trade in less than 5 minutes on ES tonight, and we was already done in profits. We were already done. Already. So, let's see. I'm hoping it'll tap, tap, tap. Just come on down. Come on down. Don't be scared. Come on down. Come on down. Bring your cheek meat right down. Come on. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and give me the rest. That'll be about 700-800. If not, I'll take this 5. I won't cry about it because it did officially hit target. Okay. Let's check again. Move my head out the way. 700. There we go. 730. Y'all seeing this live. And by the way, if you're watching this on the replay later on, this is the 15th, May 15th, and it's 9:20 p.m. And by the way, this one goes out to Matt. Matt, you called this one out live in class. We're up 800. I'm up 800. Come on, tap me. 840. What I tell you guys? 840. Yeah, all right. And I'm going to take my money. Go ahead. Take it. 700. I'll take the 7. And I'm out. 7. Wait. 740. There we go. Close the trade. 740. 700. All right. Came close to my target. There we go. All right. So I'm out of this trade live in front of you guys. No, I'm just playing. Anyway, guys, I want to say it's really, really nice to trade with a group. I've been trading for years and teaching trading together, but this is the first time we're trading in the futures market live together. And by the way, we're doing an amazing job clocking these ticks, not pips. I got to get used to that because I've been trading in the Forex market for so long. We've been clocking these points or ticks, whatever y'all call them. I just know how to clock the money. That's all that matters. Win the money. Don't worry about all them names, all them bougie names. The heck, bro. It's just, whatever. All right. So anyway, here's the point. Here's the point. Point is that trading live with a group where you're literally going through the charts, which, by the way, I had told them, Matt told me to look at this trade. We did an analysis on it. And you can see my markup earlier when it first came up for the buy. And then out here, I drew what they call the supply zone or the sell zone and justified it. So we don't put indicators. Notice when I'm drawing up, I take my indicators off. I don't want to see any indicators. I just want to take a look, see what I can see for myself. And if the indicators confirm what I know on my analysis, then I feel comfortable taking the trade. If not, then so be it. And what happens is you'll win a lot more trades. You won't win every trade. But you'll win a lot of your trades because the indicators are not the be-all, end-all. They are just a supplement, okay? They're just a paraclete, speaking biblically. Paraclete. In other words, it comes alongside you, okay? It comes alongside to support what you're actually seeing. Okay, so right here, you can see I drew the zone as we discussed, and I say, yeah, I can see how it's been touching, playing around up in here, and I can see it's touching right here. You can see I drew a trend line going right across here, and I said, okay, I see this. Then we go down to the lower time frames, put our indicator on, and if we see entry, okay, which we did, And let me put back on my Ganache candles. All right, so now when we had our break, okay, you can clearly see here's our TP got hit, okay, and there we go. TP got hit. And there we go. See? But a lot of you guys, let me tell you, don't come up in here trying to just snatch up our indicator and say, I'm going to do this on my own, or do it on my own, and then when it don't work, oh, this indicator don't work. It wasn't about the indicator, partner. It wasn't about the indicator, partner. It was about understanding the market structure, and then you let the indicator indicate where you should be getting in. Okay? But what's fun is trading with a live group, because within the group, like I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pairs, okay? I'm looking at 12 different pairs. So while I'm breaking down one of them, somebody say, hey, Uncle P, take a look at this one. Then I can hop over to that one really, really quick and say, okay, let's do an analysis on that one real quick and see what happens. So for an example, this is the one we made our money in the first 5 minutes right here. And I broke it down. I showed them the pattern. I told them how this is probably just a short pullback and how it consolidates and then it's going to pop. And it hung around right here for a good minute, and boom, within like 3 minutes, we won that trade in and out, just like that. Okay? So either way it goes, guys, if you want to keep doing it on your own, do your thing. But for those who want to, trade with a group and with some guidance so that you can walk away profitable, then this is where we come in. We got the New York session, which is 3 days a week. Tuesdays and Thursdays is with me, Jenny. On Wednesdays is with me. We also have the Asian session, which is 3 nights a week, which is with me, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So tonight was our final class for the week, and we made some profit. So hey, we're very happy. And Matt, good job on calling out this one on gold, because I was like, I had the attitude with it because it's twerking too much. And he said, hey, take a look at it. We did our analysis. All right, let's take a look and took the trade and look at that one. That one was one of the best next to the ES trade that we took. Now, the one that didn't work out was this one. So we were, what were we? And you see this was the chop box. I drew up the chop box and I said, okay, this is the chop box. But again, I told him I don't trust this one 100%. So I said, I'm going in light on this one. And I was correct, because this one has been acting shady too. Okay. So, and it goes alongside with 6A. Okay, see, choppy, choppy, choppy. It dropped and then popped right back in. So this is the ones where I just don't trust them. You know what I mean? And if I do take a trade because I see it, all right, I might go lightweight, but I'll tell you, hey, don't go too heavy. But the ones that I feel confident on was ES right here on that break. We made our money within about 3 minutes and we were done. And then we had this nice winner, which is in front of you guys on gold. As a team, it was called out during class. We looked at it, did the analysis together as a group. And for everybody who was in the group, congratulations, we made money on that one. All right. So, guys, one more important thing. I'm going to be doing my first. It's not a podcast. It's going to be a what would be nice to call it? Everybody called theirs podcast. My series. Okay, I'll say that. I'm doing a series on life. I'm actually, a lot of people don't know this, I'm actually a certified life coach. And I haven't done that kind of work in years. And I feel like it's time for me to get back to doing some purpose work. And so my first video will be coming out this Sunday on YouTube. I'll have a channel called For Better or Worse, WORZ. Okay, WRZ. So I'm working on creating that YouTube channel. That'll be up, but I will be posting it in this channel as well this Sunday. Take a look at it. Let me know what you guys think, okay? And I would appreciate that. And look at this thing. See? That thing, I could have held it because it's going down further. It's still dropping. It did hit my TP. I'm tripping. All right. Have a good night, guys. I'm going to hang out with Nancy. Enjoy your weekend.